Thanksgiving. For as long as I can remember, it has always been my favorite American holiday. Maybe because it's the very first I remember celebrating in the US. The fact that it kicks off the holiday season, or simply another occasion for friends and family to rejoice over too much food. From blasting down the straightaway of a racetrack to now his driveway, some things just never change for Billy, aka Mr. Happy-Go-Lucky. This year, Bill and his wife Hilda will be third-time hosts of the UN Friendsgiving since our group of gearhead junkies met back in 2010. While Hilda was busy getting the stoves firing on all cylinders, Billy was, there's a reason we call him the king of beer, she says. Time to put those spooning skills on display, Mr. Sous Chef. You might be wondering, all these veggies, where the heck is that? There it is. 18 organic pounds of high-protein ammunition that will render anyone at the table comatose. Like a symphony, the Hilbillies were in perfect sync for the most part. 12 hours later, it was time to accessorize the bird and kick it into high gear. By 1 p.m. though, Maple and I were ready to raid the kitchen. Indeed, I snuck a few mouthfuls of the stuffing. Sorry, Hilda. The fear with any turkey is that it comes out too dry.
No!
But we were encountering a problem of a different nature.
There is too much thing, too much waste.
After some MacGyvering, the bird was ready for its final stage of bronzing before showtime. First to arrive, all the way from Michigan, the Yanwukas, Anina, Michael, John, and Will, aka the mayor. Because when Cocoa Bear talks, we listen, and not because he's a foot taller than the rest of us. Next up, Steve, or Lord Han, piloting that Starship USS Enterprise of turning up. From Vegas to Miami, I-95 to the west side, I promise I'll always do my best to keep up. The mayor wasted no time shaking hands and hugging babies.
I'm just gonna hug you.
Okay, good.
Big babies, Danny, better known as Milos, aka Messiah marched to the beat of my own drums even though it's slightly offbeat. Then we have Andres, Senior Poppy 365, need I say more? The only person local enough to ride 1,200 miles with you in the rain for some lobsters. And the man introduced me to South America. Vive que Colombia! Partner in crime beside him, Keith, Tinker Inc. Cause he's good with his tools in all areas of life. Congrats on the engagement, bud. Can't wait to meet her. Fashionably late, of course, is Chris, or Coach Lee. Never the one to shy away from sharing his wisdom. Is that a baby man bun? I see a prequel.
Some dumplings and then this is cookies.
Our bromance through the years have been well documented, but it just wasn't going to be the same after his big day at the courthouse. And I think right there, he knew it too. Love you, Aggie. Close behind,
Yo, this man.
Perry, Mr. Man Bun himself. Sorry for kicking you out of your own house, even though we're related.
Some dumplings. I brought dumplings.
Last, but first to any party, Captain Dizon, the master and commander of fun. Started like the rest of us, and now he's here. Refreshing to see him with clothes on though from time to time, but how else we've gotten the girl? Kay, newest member of the pack. Though it's only been a short time, miles in our space travel together might suggest otherwise. Oh yeah, back to the star of the show.
What's up, brother man?
What's going on?
Connected through the love of speed, rubber, and gasoline, with a side of anarchy, but it was clearly meant for more.
Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for the love.
Amen, and let's eat.
From funerals to weddings, stateside or abroad, romantic strolls on the beach to the boardwalk, trotting the globe, to turning up in some of the best parties anywhere. We were all there with and for each other.
Give us.
what a scooper.
It's a
I
scooper.
think they call it a scoop.
It's a scooper.
Spatula, there you go. See, not a scooper.
I know what you use that camera for.
Oh yeah.
Harry POV.
No, you meant
Oh
skydiving.
no, you guys.
Spelunking. Spelunking.
I don't want to see the white plate.
I already ate like
On top of my day.
Perry's
I don't know what.
little things over there. I gotta eat, man. You don't say this good looking, but by accident. You want a spoon? I got you right here, man.
The curries are not here. So I have to make a little something in their honor.
Where's the curry dish?
The curry? Right there. It's a relish.
Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Mr. and Mrs. Bollywood rise from that relish. A toast to you. And of course, we can't forget about Ryan, or as I started calling, Private Pharaoh, because he's mostly MIA and at times beyond saving. But you know you can always ride shotgun with me anytime. And I think that's what Thanksgiving is about. The people in your life who matter coming together again to catch up on the year's journey.
You look real fine right now. Hey, Alan, I need to polish, by the way.
We reminisced on some great memories and made a toast to creating new ones. In the words of our master of ceremonies, Billy, may the friendship continue to last a lifetime. And that is what I'm thankful for.